What's up everyone, DocWeedon here in the kitchen. Today is something special. I'm going to show you how to make my delicious gluten-free banana bread. Let's get cooking. Guys, we're going to start with the dry ingredients first, and we're going to mix that all up right now. And we're going to do 2 cups of the gluten-free 1-to-1 all-purpose flour. Normally I use Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour. It's really good, gluten-free baking flour. But for this, I'm going to be using the Great Value, the Walmart brand all-purpose gluten-free flour. We're also going to do half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon for this. So let's get this all mixed up. Alright guys, you're going to want to get 5 bananas. You're going to put 1 away off in the distance there. So we're going to start with 4 bananas. Right, and we're going to mash it into here. And that's what you should have. You should have, in no time, liquid mush. Alright, the next step is to take this butter right here, put it in your container and microwave it. Because we want to melt this and we're going to add this to the mix. Alright, get your vanilla extract. You want to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. It's alright if you go a little bit over. I'm going to go just a tad over. Now we have our melted butter. We're going to take that and we're going to add that to the mix there. Alright, the next step is taking these 2 eggs. We're going to whisk these 2 eggs together like you're doing scrambled eggs. We're going to whisk them. This is where we bring in the maple syrup, guys. I found putting a half a cup of maple syrup in here actually keeps the bread really moist. Alright guys, so now we take our dry ingredients and we're just going to mix this in there together. Let's get that in there. Eventually it should start mixing together. And here are my pans. They're lined with butter. I like using butter. It doesn't stick. And also it's easier to pull the bread out of the pan using it that way. So, if you want to add walnuts in, this is the time to do it. Put it into the batter. So with this one, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take our banana medallions and I'm just going to push them down on in. So there you go. That one's done. Now let's do this one. So we have the oven preheating to 350. And those guys should be ready to go. We're going to put those guys in right now. There. Look at that guy. We're going to put that one in there. Alright. Alright, now they're done. I'm going to let them sit here for about 5 minutes, and then we'll cut into it and give it a taste. Oh, I can't wait. Alright guys, got the first slice of Doc's gluten-free banana bread. I'm going to give this a try right now. It's cooled off enough. I'm going to try it right now. Enjoy, guys. It's got the crust on the outside, and it's very moist on the inside. Wow, very sweet. You can taste the maple, but you also get that banana flavor in there. Excellent, guys. And the walnuts in there gives it a little bit of crunch, along with the sweetness. Great, 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 great. Recommend this recipe, guys, for sure. DocWeedon here in the kitchen, making my gluten-free banana bread. Give it a try. You'll like it. See you guys later.